Changing your primary email on Banner Bank is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Banner Bank website and log into your online banking account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. In the Account Settings, find the option for Email Preferences or Contact Information. Click on this option to proceed to update your email. Step 4. Update your email address. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SRUC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm the changes and ensure your new email is set as the primary contact. Once you have completed these steps, you should receive a confirmation email at your new address. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Banner Bank's customer service for assistance.